Seth. Alright guys, it's Cameron. This is gonna be one of the most important unboxing videos of my life. Last Wednesday, Muir.com actually messaged me asking if I would be interested in a sponsorship from them. Of course I said yes. So I am now on the Muir team. They're going to have me doing product testing, which I'm totally stoked about. Who wouldn't be stoked about product testing? Product testing, making videos, doing what I do, writing, making videos, unboxings, reviews, etc. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys here. I don't know, I'm really excited, totally stoked. You all know I'm like the biggest Muir skater ever. I mean, oh boy. It's kind of hard to put outside of that in the words actually. Okay, so they're hooking me up today with the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's a little Earthwing superglider from Earthwing. It's a nice touch there, Seth. It's pretty sweet. Okay, so from Earthwing, the Earthwing superglider, in the 169s and 66mm ABEC 11 free rides. So this board comes in at 38 inches long, 9.5 inches wide. A lot of people will say that it has no concave. This is incorrect. It's got a nice amount of concave. I'll get some close-up shots in a sec. Kicktail, nice kicktail. Actually, it's not even like a tiny kicktail. It's a big one. I mean, you have a nose. You can do some manuals and whatnot on the nose. I mean, just because it's not kicked doesn't mean you can't do that sort of stuff. Let's see. Make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, looks like we got a bunch of stickers and whatnot. Sweet. Alright. Sorry, I had to do some bubble wrapping. I got 3 stickers. I'm sure I'll get more later. And then Seth sent me a pack of hardware because I asked him I needed some. But yeah, so this is the Earthwing superglider. I got a 5-ply instead of a 4-ply because I just recently sold my Rain Nemesis. I just realized that I like top mounts more, and then on top of that I'm looking to buy a Canon T2i, so I need all the money I can get. So yeah, I'm really stoked to be riding this board. I'm going to go out and ride it like right now actually. This is the Carbon superglider Earthwing skateboards. Muir.com.